Hey guys, so today we're going to change the cabin air filter on Nissan Kicks. First is to remove this panel right here. Starting from the bottom, just pull it out. So this white plastic cover right here is our access to the cabin air filter. On the bottom, you'll see this tab. You just need to push it up. You can use one or two hands and it should come right off. Then pull the cabin air filter out. So here's our old air filter, and the arrow that you see there, it means that you need to face the air filter towards the front. And here's our new air filter, and there's an arrow indicator here that says the direction of the air filter. Once we determine which air filter part is facing the front, we're now good to install it. Just fold it a little bit so it'll be easier for us to fit it. And then you can put back the cabin air filter cover. Last step is to reinstall this panel cover. And that's how you replace your cabin air filter on your Nissan Kicks. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.